Hi beautiful people, black foods are the new healthy trend. Must be something very special about it. What about activated charcoal? In this video, we are going to be talking about how to use activated charcoal for beautiful skin and your inner beauty. Please keep watching. Activated charcoal is a fine black powder produced when common charcoal is exposed to the high heat. This exposure creates tiny internal spaces or holes in the charcoal, making it highly absorbent and able to trap chemicals and toxins. Activated charcoal is not the same substance as found in burnt piece of barbecue. It is where the ordinary charcoal has been treated to increase its surface area. This may be carried out by physical reactivation using extremely high temperature. As a result, 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal has about the same total surface area as a football field. No matter your age or skin type, clean and small pores definitely make you younger. Activated charcoal mask is one of the best natural ways to cleanse the pores, and it also has other skin benefits. Detoxifying properties for clear, even-toned and acne-free skin. Because activated charcoal has countless tiny internal spaces or holes, researchers show that it can help draw microparticles such as dust, dirt, chemicals, make residue, toxins, and bacteria to the surface of the skin. No wonder why activated charcoal masks make my skin so clear. Okay, let's make activated charcoal mask with me. In a small bowl, mix with 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal powder with 1 teaspoon of water and mix them well. Suddenly I want to see how my dog reacts to this. It'll be fun. Wow, my skin feels super soft and clean. I have to say charcoal is my favorite skincare ingredient. It clears out my skin so well. It feels amazing. I hope you try it out and add this to your beauty routine. Okay, now I'm gonna moisturize my skin with CeraVe and my super serum. As I always say, when it comes to skincare, less is more. So it's best to apply a charcoal mask once or twice a week. If you have a sensitive skin or find your skin feels dry after using charcoal mask, only apply once a fortnight. So charcoal mask is 100% natural and very gentle. It should be very gentle to your skin, but always better to do a small patch test first. Did you know activated charcoal does an amazing job for your inner beauty? Activated charcoal may have powerful anti-aging properties. One study shows that activated charcoal increased the average lifetime of older test animals by around 34%. Don't you love it? I always drink 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal mixed with water when I feel a little bit bloated or have a stomach ache. Within 15 minutes, it is fixed. You know, when I first tried this, I thought it's no way I can try this at all because it looks so scary, isn't it? It's like black. How do you drink the black things? But actually it wasn't too bad. It's no taste, no smell, nothing. It just tastes like water-ish. You can feel a little bit of a powder. Looks so scary, isn't it? But actually, it tastes okay. It doesn't taste anything. Let's try. Thank you for watching again. Be more beautiful and look younger together. I'll be with you. 감사합니다.